Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you and hope you have a good day.
Make your images talk in under 60 seconds. Open the Adobe Express site or app. Find the animate image feature. For optimal results, select a photo with a clear, forward-facing subject. Photos of people, cartoons, or even pets work great. It's often best to start with a video or social media post, like an Instagram story format. Now, you have two main options to make it talk. A. Record your voice live. B. Upload an audio file. Tap the Add button to use a pre-recorded voice memo, a snippet of a song, or any other audio file from your phone.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you and hope you have a good day.
You can trim the audio to match the length you want. It's now ready to be shared on social media. What would you make talk first? Let me know in the comments.